maybe I just want, hello, sisters. Today's makeup is a reference to this beautiful woman. The whole thing is Korean and smoky. Still a little depressed. I think it's pretty cool. Let's try it together. Otherwise, let's wipe this cotton sheet on its face first. Pick a suitable eyeball. I think its base makeup is a little fluffy. Then reveal the natural glow of the skin. Use this batch for foundation. Gold powder for thin grid products. A very delicate cream texture. We just wipe our face with our hands. In fact, I feel like every time I use that high cover, foundation will be like wearing a mask, but with that special moisturizing, because I feel that the concealer is not enough. But this bottle is really just right. What defect do you take a look at? The pores just disappear. Makeup effect, soft focus matte at the same time. Very natural gloss. What a beautiful makeup look. Isn't the weather hot? My nose will be a little oily. I use it clean all day. I won't say dark or anything. The base makeup is really satisfactory. Then buy a facelift. There's still this grooming pen left. Nose drawing a U. Just refer to his Li Xiaozhu here. You can deepen it for him. Yamane here, let's draw a C. Let's deepen our eye sockets this place. Big name here, we tie him a shadow sideways. The mandibular line here, we are a little bit. Fix him. Remove a swelling. Make the whole face look less white. Shadow face. It's more natural to print him out for a meeting. I'm going to apply that matte lip glaze later. The most important thing is to put on a lip balm. Use this puff later. Stand up like this. Then use this orange blush. Brush it with powder. Multiple deepens in this piece of our country. The bridge of the nose needs a little bit here. Chin and forehead. Also a little bit. Place, we can light it up in the last step before a little bit, with nasolabial folds. Then call it here and we'll control it for him. Dirt here. Tattoo this to brighten. I still like to put brightening on the facelift. After the blush, feels a corrective effect. Compared to this, the face is much cleaner. Just the gloss that follows. You're going to wear that highlight too. Eyebrows, we choose this. The overall eyebrow shape is still relatively straight. The machete eyebrow pencil makes this shape more realistic. Each orange-brown eyebrow cream. The whole eye makeup has a little pink agent. Let's use this one first, a small number of times. As long as you feel the atmosphere, I can see it. Gotta squint to see aegyo. Change the small brush to occupy this one. The scope of this step is smaller, mainly deepen. Inside our double eyelid folds, draw the smallest brush this flat. Dip in this darkest color against the base of your lashes. This deepens. Paint a flatter and harder brush. Dip these two colors to see the eyes. Let's draw eyeliner first. Then determine the position of this lower limb. Choose this one to be black, to the base of our lashes. It can be deepened by pressing. Eyeliner is down first. Then twist and pull out. Don't pick, don't pick. Oh, so you should be able to see clearly. The eyeliner always goes down first and then pulls out flat. I'm more cautious if I draw it down. Select brown and then change to a fluffy brush. From the back half of the eyeball up, our upper eyeliner connected together. With a matte beige color, you let the soot hook out. I drew later an open aegyo. His aegyo is still a little pink. I'll use this one. I hate myself for not looking closely at his eyes. It's still a little more brown. Let's use another brown eyeliner pen. Buy him one on Weibo. Aegyo, I don't think it's enough. Use this again, it's a bit revealing. Very nice little aegyo. Take the tip of the eyelashes here. Big eyelashes, let's stick them on top of our real eyelashes. Bring a black eyeliner pen to trace him.
Go and smudge it with dark eyeshadow. The overall soft fog will be stronger. Then let's deepen the grooming, the way you press. Hello. Sangin here too. Press to root. I feel that the brightening is particularly obvious in this piece. Come a little. Brow sideways to brighten and nod to brighten. A little bit of this highlight. Beautiful. A little on the head. Deepen my own mole, one here too. Use a pencil to outline the lip shape, because Korean women's lip makeup is that kind of, the boundaries are blurry. This one has a little base. Let's overlay it. Stacked with a slightly brighter color. Doesn't look so dull. Then let's fold the blush again. I'm on the neck.